it again. I've been nothing but a girl who really should be nothing less. Don't mess up, and don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and it hurts. No one can save you. It's all on your mind to change too. And baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own when you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you're flying too close to the sun. 'Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned.
Good morning from my side. As you can see, people, on this day I woke up very early. I was heading somewhere and the weather was so gloomy. In fact, there was a mist. You couldn't see someone coming in front of you. Like the car which is coming, you could see it clearly until the driver had to use some light so that they can see each other well. When I reached my destination, I decided to take a cup of tea, 2 slices of bread with a boiled egg because it was damn cold. Yeah, guys, so if you're new here, my name is Jodie Paul, and if you're a returning subscriber, feel most welcome. Much later, when I was heading back home, I went through the supermarket. There was something I was checking. I wanted an electronic, so a kettle, so I was checking the one which suits my pocket and which please my eye. And what I love with this supermarket, it had variety. So I had to pick. So I was left with these two choice, the Vaughan and the Rampton. And then on the side, I decided to check on the rice cooker and the pressure cooker and air fryer. I was really salivating for them and a vacuum cleaner, but yeah, we shall get them later. On my way back home, I went to the market and picked some few groceries that I'll share with you guys. So if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please do so and give this video a thumbs up so that it can be recommended to many people. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And yeah, guys, so let me do a quick haul. So I got tomatoes at 60 bob. I got arrowroot at 100, and I also got sweet potato at 50 bob. Yeah, guys, I didn't want a lot. I was just restocking. I got onion at 160. At least the price is going down. I got green peas. I got French beans at 30 bob, a quarter of kilo. I got only 4 carrots. I didn't want a lot at 20 bob. I got the green bell peppers at 20 bob, and she added me one. I got coriander at 10 bob. Yeah, that's what at 10 bob. And then last year I got some green veggies, traditional veggies, that is managu and spaghetti. So yeah, so that's what I got. Actually, I just wanted some onions and tomatoes, but you see, if you go to the market, you cannot fail to get some of the thing. And lastly, I forgot to show you, I also got some omena. Yeah, so that's what I got from the market. So I also got this kettle. I've been having this kettle. This one, I got it in 2018, if I'm not wrong, from Tuskies, as you can see. And since then, it has served me so well. But recently, it just decided not to stop working. And I don't know. So I decided to go get a new one. I wanted between Vaughan, the black one. I wanted the Vaughan black one. So when I reached the supermarket, as people had seen, I saw this Rampton, and it was so good. So I fell in love with the white one. Yeah, I fell in love with the white. The Vaughan didn't have the white one, it had a black one. So I fell in love with this Rampton. 3 liters, white one. With here it's gray. There was another one, the one you saw here is brown, and there was a black one, the one. So I picked the white with here gray, yeah, like this. So it's so good. I love it. I love it. In short, I love it. So this is it. It's how it looks. Beautiful. So it's cordless. Yeah, and this it. So I decided just to get this big one once, because when sometimes you want to warm a lot of water, you find yourself warming twice or boiling twice. So I decided, let me just get 3 liters that I can just boil once. I'm sure I can't use 3 liters at a go. Yeah, so that's it. So this is what we got. We have a new kettle. I was still anticipating to take this one to the fundi to confirm for me what went wrong. I don't know, when one day I'll get time, I'll take it and check. But currently, this is the one I'll be using. So this is it. It's so good. So you just press here and it opens. And this is how it looks from inside.
I'm halfway out, just trying to lose you now. Yeah, it was an illusion now. Yeah, I just wanna see you out. So give it up, leaving all your texts on red with the games you left now. Give it up, you're sick of all the things you said, getting in my head now. So I don't wanna know, I don't wanna know.
I also had these dirty shoes that I wanted to wash, and also wash my doormats. They are so dirty. And later I'll wipe and organize my shoe rack, and then lastly I'll make a dinner. Yeah guys, so stick around and watch, and remember to like and subscribe if you haven't.
Shots with a broken spleen, yeah. I'm lost with the mess you leave, yeah. It's hard to stop in me, yeah. So I don't wanna know all the things that you left in my brain, starting all over again, yeah. I only put it away, now you run back in my face, yeah. I'm done with all that you can say, yeah. So leave me alone, 'cause I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know where you go. I don't wanna know. Yeah, it was an illusion now. You're leaving all the doors locked out. Yeah, I don't wanna know. Yeah, I don't wanna know. So I don't wanna know. I'm halfway out, just trying to lose you now. Yeah, it was an illusion now. Yeah, I just wanna see you out. So give it up, leaving all your texts on red with the games you left now. Give it up, you're sick of all the things you said, getting in my head now. So I don't wanna know, I don't wanna know where you go. I don't wanna know. Yeah, it was an illusion now. You're leaving all the doors locked out. Yeah, I don't wanna know. Yeah, I don't wanna know. shots with a broken spleen, yeah. I'm blessed with the mess you leave, yeah. It's hard to stop in me, yeah. So I don't wanna know the things that you left in my brain. Starting all over again, yeah. Only put it away, not even back in my face, yeah. I'm done with all that you can say, yeah. So leave me alone, 'cause I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know where you go. I don't wanna know. Yeah, it was an illusion now. You're leaving all the doors locked out. And I don't wanna know. Yeah, I don't wanna know. So I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know where you go. I don't wanna know.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words, but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me, 'cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. We're not a thing. I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. Not gonna feel a thing. I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Not gonna see your face. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So cry all you want, but I still walk away. Cry all you want, but I still walk away. So many words, but you don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you love me, 'cause it's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing.
So for the dinner, I was going to make a stewed one and ugali and sukuma wiki, the kale. So first of all, first boil my omena, not boiling, but I kind of washing it. I boil it for a few minutes and then wash it, then drain that water, then rinse it with a clean water, and then it's when I bring it back to the fire and dry it. So at this point, I was trying to fry it so that it can dry, and then add onions, tomatoes, everything that I wanted to add. And then at that point I add a little bit of water when I want it to be stew. After the tomatoes are getting ready, I add a little bit of water, boil for a few seconds, then add my milk, then let it to simmer, and that's how it will be served. Yeah, that's how I make my mena. I've explained everything earlier because I know I lost some parts. Yeah, you see now it's already having milk. I lost some parts when I was adding everything, but that's how I usually do my My omena, I mean. My kale is ready, already fried. I lost the part where I was frying it, and now I want to make some ugali. Yeah, guys. So if you watch this video until this point, thank you so much for your support. Remember not to skip the ads, like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing.